uppercase letter G. And today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am letter G for gorilla. Now let's go. Grab your pencil and let's go and trace some G's. So you go all the way around and back. Stop good and draw a small line as like a cap. Small cap. Perfect. Back up, go around and stop on the dot. Draw a small line like a cap. Great. More. Up, stop on the dot and draw a small line like a cap. Great. Other one. And good. And a small line like a cap. Perfect. Now you know how to trace your letter G. So trace me more letter G in your book. Bye.